Welcome to the Old Fashioned Masonic Podcast, where we talk all things Freemasons while drinking an old fashioned. I'm Brian, and yet again, all eyes are on Texas. So tomorrow, January 6th, interesting that they set a trial date for that, but I digress. The Masonic trial for past Grand Master of Texas, Brad Billings, is underway. So, been a lot of noise going on. A lot of claims back and forth. So it appears that most worshipful Brad Billings is done with it. I'm going to look in the description. You'll have a link to the article. But as of January 3rd, most worshipful Billings has filed a lawsuit. He filed it actually on, Tuesday the 2nd. Filed a lawsuit in Waco in the 170th State District Court against the Grand Lodge of Texas, Timothy Simmons, Lance Kennedy, G. Clay Smith, sitting Grand Master, Howard Henderson, and Russell Brown. So basically, the lawsuit is a defamation lawsuit. It's filed a defamation lawsuit against the fraternal nonprofit and 5 of its officers. He's alleging that his reputation was damaged by false allegations that he stole money from the lodge and its membership. So let me say that again. Billings' defamation lawsuit, he's claiming that the Grand Lodge and or these 5 officers have made false allegations that he stole money from the lodge and its membership. Those are strong claims, right? So this may be what the Masonic trial is about that's happening tomorrow, January 6th. We are going to be all ears for the results of this trial. My opinion is, if he is found guilty and his Masonic membership is pulled, it's already going to be a crazy Grand Lodge session in the Grand Lodge of Texas. This will be crazy. I think you've got, initially I thought there were 2 camps, but we saw some posts on the Grand Lodge of Texas Facebook page, or Texas Freemasons Facebook page, and there might even be 3 camps in there. I'd ask some former Grand Masters, I say, is there a possibility that this will cause such a fracture? We hope not. That somebody will try to form another Grand Lodge of Texas. Masonic scholars, could the Grand Lodge of Texas actually have 2 Grand Lodges? Is that a thing? Who would give them dispensation? How would that happen? What would it look like? Would it be good for Masonry? I don't know any of those questions, but at the end of the day, Texas Freemasons, we hope you get through this. It seems like a lot of nonsense going on back and forth. Everything that we talk about here has been public information. We don't share any insider things that we know. But again, past Grand Master Billings, his Masonic trial is tomorrow. But as of Tuesday, the 2nd of January, he has filed a lawsuit against the Grand Lodge of Texas and 5 of its officers. The trial master apparently is Brown, who's the trial master according to this article that was appointed by Smith, and Kennedy in here is appointed as the prosecutor, so the lawsuit says. So also in this article, Billings alleges that in the suit that the charges do not meet the certainty requirements of the Texas law, that don't sufficiently provide him notice of the allegations against him. So if you're reading this, if Brother Billings may feel like he's being railroaded, and by everything you're reading in this, maybe that's the case. We don't know. Again, go to the description. We'll have a link to this article of what's going on, but stay with us. The minute we find out what happens after Billings' Masonic trial, we're going to let you know. And there's a chance that we may not know on January 6th, that they'll just gather all the information. I don't know how it works in Texas, but stay tuned to the Old Fashioned Masonic Podcast. and we'll share everything that we have on this issue. Thanks.